Come on. The booms. Rookie mistake. Hey, and welcome to Northern Chris. In this video, I'm going to do an update on Massey Ferguson 3165 Backhoe Tractor. I've had it for about 6 months now. If you haven't seen the first video of me buying it, check the video up above. So, about 6 months since owning it. I beat up the bucket a little bit. That was from hauling the shipping container with some chains. You can see obviously the hydraulics leak. This thing is a 1969, so it's been around for over 50 years, I guess. Still works well. Could use some tires, but they do hold air. It does leak a little bit of oil as well as transmission fluid, but again, it's such a large job that it's not worth fixing. The rear tires hold air. These booms, they leak over time, so if you don't place them down, they will sink. The person who bought it before me, they obviously painted it all yellow. Go to this side. This tire has a little bit more tread, still a little low. I have to replace the fuel and oil filters. I haven't done that yet. I've just been topping it up with oil and transmission fluid. Probably not ideal. You can see some of the hoses, they're kind of weathered, but they do work. They haven't blown yet. I do have some spare ones in case. You can see some of them are pretty bad. These lights don't work, unfortunately. Lots of tread left. Tires hold air. And then the bucket itself, it's huge. Has a 12-inch tooth bucket on it right now. I do have a smooth bucket as well. You can see here, these hoses have been replaced a little bit more recently, so they're not so bad. All these levers seem to work. They don't stick too much. You can see all the hoses. They're not in terrible shape, except this one is really bad. It still seems to be working. So let's see if this thing will fire up. I haven't used this thing in probably a month and a half, maybe 2 months. I've just been busy working on the outhouse as well as a few other things. This battery wasn't great to begin with. The alternator doesn't seem to be charging too well. So let's see. Yeah, see, nothing. Nothing at all. Maybe I can boost it. Okay, maybe I need a little bit of starter fluid. You can see it's smoking trying to start. Don't forget to take the can off. Give it a little bit of throttle, see if this works. Come on, come on, come on. So there you have it. 6-month update. Works. Almost got it stuck. It's really muddy, as you can see. Cleaned it up a little bit here. I'll have to wait till spring. Maybe I can come in here once it's dry, move some of this stuff around. There you go. Massey Ferguson 3165. Works perfectly for what I need it for. 4x4 would be nice, but no, it's a nice running tractor. Totally worth the money.